Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So இன்னைக்கு வந்து நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம் English Fluency Seriesல lesson number 15 Days of the Week and Weekly Routine. So வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். Days of the Week and Weekly Routine அப்படின்னா நம்ம வீக்லி வந்து என்ன டேஸ் அது ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம லாஸ்ட் இதுல பார்த்தோம். பட் இதுல வந்து நம்ம வீக்லி என்ன ரொட்டீன்லாம் நம்ம பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்ற மாதிரியான அது ஒரு ரிலேட்டட் டாஸ்க் தான், ரிலேட்டட் டு ஆக்டிவிட்டி 14. Okay. So what day is today? Today is Sunday. நம்ம அது பார்த்தோம். It's Sunday. I usually sleep பார்த்தோம். So I usually cook போட்டுக்கலாம். I usually cook on Sundays. My favorite day is Monday. I never travel or work on weekends. நான் weekendsல வேலையெல்லாம் பார்க்க மாட்டேன். Weekendல நான் ரிலாக்ஸ் பண்ணுவேன். ஓகேங்களா? சரி வாங்க இப்போ நம்ம வீக்லி ரொட்டீன் போலாம். So Monday I start my work and study. On Mondays I start my work and I study. On Tuesdays I meet my friends. On Tuesdays I meet my friends. On Wednesday I do my homework. On Wednesday I do my homework. On Thursdays I go shopping with my family. On Thursdays I go shopping with my family. On Fridays I relax and read books. On Fridays I relax and read books. On Saturdays I play sports. On Saturdays I play sports. On Sundays I clean my room. On Sundays I clean my room. On Monday I watch a movie. On Mondays I watch a movie. On Tuesday I visit my grandparents. On Tuesday I visit my grandparents. On Wednesday I cook and help at home. On Wednesday I cook and help at home. On Thursday I go for a walk. On Thursday I go for a walk. And on Friday I plan for weekend. On Friday I plan for weekend. So what day is today? Today is Sunday. And what do you usually do on Saturday? On Saturdays I roam around or I go outing with my friends. And which day do you like the most? Why? I like Sunday as I have rest on Sundays. Okay. Write 5 days about your week using the days of the week. Okay. On Monday I go to bank. On Tuesdays I go to temple. On Wednesdays I cook biryani or else I cook some new dishes. On Thursdays I visit my grandparents. On Friday I plan for weekend. And on Saturday I play golf. Sunday I relax. On Sunday I relax. So these are all the activities I do on my weekend. Now you can tell me or you can do this activity by doing it in the same way, like what all you do from Monday to Sunday, segregating it as weekend and weekdays activities. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.